cuties. Today I am going to show you something interesting. Today we will do some activity related to the mud, that is seed germination. Children, see, in the seed germination we have to plant a seed, but before that we have to come to know what material we require for seed germination. Okay, let's see. First of all, in the seed germination we require a seed. See, you can see here I have taken cumin. You can use any type of seed which is available at your home, such as a cumin, mustard, chana, moong, pumpkin seed, etc. Then we need a pot, then we need a soil, and we need a water. Okay. Now we have to put some soil in the pot. See, you can see here I have already taken some soil in the pot. Then we have to dig the soil. Here we have to dig the soil, and then we have to plant a seed like this. Here I use the cumin. You can use any seed like mustard, chana, moong, cumin, and then again we have to hide this seed with the soil. Here again I put the soil. Children, we have to cover that seed with the soil like this. And now we have to pour some water. We have to pour water. Children, you know why we have to hide that seed? Why should I cover that seed? Because birds will come and they will pick up that seed and they will eat that seed, because seed is the food of birds. Okay, if you want to give them their food, you can put the seed on your terrace. Okay, you can put the separately, and if birds will come and they will eat that seed, our seed germination process will spoil. Okay, so that's why we have to cover that seed with the soil, and we have to put this pot in a proper place. It means we have to put this pot in a sunlight, because in the seed germination sunlight is the most important thing. Okay, hope you all enjoy this activity. Thank you.